Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to e-verify your income tax return. After filing your income tax return online, e-verification is the crucial next step to complete the process. It confirms your submission to the tax department. This guide will walk you through the different methods available, ensuring your return is successfully processed. Let's get started with the most common options. There are several convenient ways to e-verify your tax return. One popular method is using an Aadhaar one-time password, or OTP, which requires your mobile number to be registered with Aadhaar. Another option is through net banking, where you can log into your bank account and verify directly. You can also use a DMAT account to generate an electronic verification code, or EVC, for verification. Choose the method that best suits your access. The electronic verification code, or EVC, is a key component for e-verification. This 10-digit alphanumeric code can be generated directly from the income tax e-filing portal or through your bank's website. Once generated, the EVC is valid for 72 hours, so ensure you use it within that time frame. This code acts as your digital signature, confirming the authenticity of your tax return submission. It's a simple yet vital step. Once you have your EVC, navigate back to the income tax e-filing portal. Locate the option to e-verify return and enter your generated code in the designated field. After successful submission, you will receive a confirmation message, often via email and SMS, indicating that your tax return has been successfully e-verified. This completes your filing process. For more insights on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.